Hey, good day. This next from Internet Secret. In this review videos, I just want to share with you of this info product. It's basically it's a video training course. So it's called Xcelerate. So what is Xcelerate all about, right? I have done actually review on this Xcelerate product. Right? Okay, basically this Xcelerate is info product. They show you step by step how to actually use feed traffic, which is the Facebook traffic, right? How you can actually optimize your Facebook profile, and you can from once you optimize your Facebook profile, and how to create a high quality post to actually to promote using the your profile, this Facebook profile. To get feed traffic from Facebook to promote any high ticket uh, uh, commissions product without even paying for your app, or you need to know you have to pay for Google app, for big app, for what kind of app. You can actually tap on the traffic from the this Facebook. But first thing first, you need to optimize your Facebook profile, right? In order to get a high attention from the audience in the Facebook, right? Okay, just quickly take a look into this my review page here in front of you. You can see this is a make high ticket commission without selling, right? Okay, so how you can actually leverage on your Facebook profile and the Facebook traffic to make high ticket commission without you selling anything, right? Okay, without paying app and step by step with the training over the shoulder. It attracts the serious buyer with proven method and blueprints. Right? That of feed traffic sold over 2.74 million potential buyer is talking about the Facebook traffic. Right? Okay, right. Overall, I'm giving a 9.5 rating for this info product. Right? Okay, let's quickly take a look at Xcelerate. This is this couple of OTO come together. Front end is $9.97 only. You're going to get full training courses of this Xcelerate. Right? Also, there's an upgrade the accelerator. This is how to tap into this secret conversions and how to get paid recurring income. This talking about another secret conversion system, and DFI campaigns, right? The 2020 Run For You campaign that we have personally created for you, and DFI is a super funnel. Okay, you are able to import Run For You funnel personally made by us to page on your profile to build your list and in commission daily, right? Okay, so 97 is a license right for this. You are going to can make 100% commission throughout the whole funnel, right? Okay, so so Jay is here to show you the secret method of how to make high ticket sale of 1,000 commission using a free traffic, totally free traffic, and he did this without doing any selling. Okay, so watch over the show now how you actually show how you can make 1,000 commission without selling. You also discover how to get traffic flowing right away, so you can copy the exact method to earn some high commissions. Right? Okay, so as you know, $10 commission is could be a thing on the past. So if you want to make money online, high ticket offer are the way to go, right? Okay, that is really true, right? So there are 3 steps here. Log into the training module and complete the training video. Let me also show to you what is a training module inside the member. So this is what you'll be getting here after you pay for $9.97. We're going to show you the welcome video, and also they're talking about how to make 10K in 22 days using this journal's Ministry of Freedom. Right? And the overview video setting up your Facebook profile, choose a product. You need to choose a right product so you can actually use your optimized profile to promote this product. Finding explanation, right? Okay, talking about how we can actually accelerate this method by using an inspirational way, going through the posts, right? How we can show to you what are the posts it created, content creation, live posts, and also find a targeted traffic. I think everything is the targeted traffic is again coming from the this Facebook itself, traffic monitors, traffic TikTok, and also interacting with the prospect, sales, how to interact with the prospect who is going to you are going to sell them a high ticket product, right? And how to start a conversation and closing the sales, right? And also he put up some challenges to the audience side, and also conclusion. There's also an upgrade here, and also there is learn from you campaign, and also learn from you super funder, and also license, right? Okay, one-to-one or training also part of the this OTO, also you'll be getting as part of this OTO, right? Okay, so this is basically the whole content of this over the shoulder training, show you every step how to set up your Facebook profile, and make your Facebook profile make dig magnet to extract the potential buyer of high ticket product, right? Okay, so this is Facebook free, traffic method, everything is free, and there's a couple of the also upgrade that come together. So that's basically what Jay is going to share to you in this training video. Pretty cool, right? Yeah. So this is quite a unique, I would say, something. There's no we don't see frequently about this method, right? But I think it's good to know, right? Okay, for this Xcelerate, I have prepared a bunch of bonuses. So I'm going to get this from me, right? Okay, so in front of the bonuses, you're going to get, okay, this is for the first 12 hour. Okay, for the first 12 hour, you're going to get, this is a free building video training with 100 click. At the end of this building video training, you're going to get 100 click also, solo app click also. And this is my own product. Need money online. This 50k make money online, so clever to promote offer, right? So if you don't have a list, don't worry. I'm giving you the make money online list here, right? Okay, right? But this is can only if you are willing to do an upgrade accelerated. You just say if you take front end and also upgrade one, right? Okay, accelerated upgrade one, then you are going to get this free bonus 1, bonus 2, and bonus 3. All right, okay, right? Because all these are really high quality bonus. This is 50k for your bonus packages. Again, you'll be getting a bonus page builders. This is they come with a page, bonus page, delivery page, and all bonus graphic. Smarty Builders, e-commerce site builder also it come together. Funnel kit is a quick funnels, very similar to quick funnel, whereby you can actually use this funnel kit to actually without even you have to buy a quick funnel, you can pay $99, right? Okay, so exclusive milestone, this is about within affiliate marketing training course, right? How to make 10,000 following really simple business principle, and you're going to get this also 1,000 new presentation marketing virtual template. Okay, VidSpark is the video creation app for more traffic and sale. BotEngage chatbot question app for more traffic and sale also. OutReachr traffic cloud app, and you're going to get some iShot also, right? Free traffic method you don't know, fitting traffic method you don't know. This is one of the really good bonuses. Top 6 pay underground traffic sources, right? This is my other bonuses. Free training how to make money online without just selling anything. This is exactly. So Jess is going to teach you, but I also will give you a bonus. My exclusive, really exclusive training how to actually make money online without you selling anything, right? Jono's a TikTok traffic app, and also Jono's instant traffic app. Okay, 200 special bonuses bundle. You can actually preview what's inside here. Okay, right? And this is all what you'll be getting here. Okay, email shop, email marketing video training courses, and also a couple of more than 100 traffic app, and also video training course on the, or this will be you'll be getting also as part of this bonuses, right? Altogether, right? So finance is only less than $10, like $9.97 only. But I strongly encourage you to get this the upgrade one. This is talking about we find how to type in JC code conversion system. So you will learn how to make recurring income. That is a good thing to learn also, right? Okay, so if you take the affiliate upgrade one, you are able to get all by bonuses here. This one, and also the money on their list, and also this is already huge bonuses. So that's it about Jay's pretty cool pretty cool video training. It will actually hold your hand on hand and also over the shoulder training course Xcelerate. Okay, this is a sales page Xcelerate. This is something you can see. My Xcelerate system generate me 1,000 per day without spending a demo. So it's purely the feed traffic for you. This Facebook by actually optimizing your Facebook profile. Okay, so this is some earning proof here. Note that I tend to look at all this earning proof, right? This is how he applied the method and make this late commission, right? All right, thank you, and do enjoy this my presentation on this info product, and click the link below this video, and you're going to come to my review page. Just click on this orange button, and you're going to get the Xcelerate together with all my bonuses, right? Okay, thank you, bye bye.